Most construction companies do not lose money because they lack work. They lose money because their numbers are a mess. Here's the truth no one tells you. Generic accounting software can fall apart fast once you start managing job costing, payroll, subcontractors, equipment tracking, and multiple projects at the same time. That is exactly why so many contractors start looking at foundation software. But is it actually worth the price in 2026? Or is it just another expensive construction tool with a fancy sales pitch? In this video, I'll break down exactly what foundation software does, who it works best for, where it struggles, how much value you actually get, and whether smaller contractors should even consider it. By the end, you'll know if foundation software is worth your money, or if you should stick with something simpler like QuickBooks or Buildertrend. Let's get straight into it. Foundation software is a construction-specific accounting platform. That part matters. This is not regular bookkeeping software trying to add construction features. It was built for contractors first. That means job costing, certified payroll, IA billing, union tracking, equipment costs, retainage, and project-based accounting are baked into the system from day one. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of contractors hear construction accounting and assume it is basically QuickBooks with a different logo. It is not. The biggest difference is depth. Foundation software is designed for companies that need very detailed financial tracking across multiple jobs. Let's use a simple example. Imagine Jake runs a small residential remodeling company doing 5 kitchen projects at once. QuickBooks might work fine for him. But now imagine Alex owns a commercial concrete company managing 20 active projects, union workers, subcontractors, equipment rentals, and change orders every week. That is where foundation starts making sense. The software is built to answer one important question, fast. Which jobs are actually making money? And surprisingly, many contractors cannot answer that accurately in real time. This is where most people fail. They look only at monthly revenue. But construction profitability depends on labor costs, materials, delays, overtime, payroll taxes, and dozens of moving pieces tied to specific jobs. Foundation helps track all of that at the project level. One of the strongest features is job costing. Every expense can be connected to a project, cost code, or phase of work. That means you can see exactly where money is going. If drywall labor keeps going over budget, you see it early instead of discovering the problem 6 months later. That alone can save contractors thousands. But here's the problem. Foundation software is not lightweight software. There is a learning curve. If you expect something as simple as a basic mobile banking app, this will probably frustrate you. The platform is powerful, but power usually comes with complexity. And that leads to one of the biggest questions contractors ask. Who is foundation actually for? In most cases, foundation makes the most sense for mid-sized construction businesses. Especially commercial contractors, specialty trades, and companies with growing payroll complexity. Electrical contractors use it heavily. So do HVAC companies, plumbing businesses, excavation contractors, and concrete firms. Why? Because payroll in construction gets complicated very fast. You may have union wages, certified payroll reporting, multiple tax jurisdictions, prevailing wages, overtime rules, and employees working across several jobs in 1 week. Foundation handles that better than most general accounting tools. In a minute, I'll explain why some contractors still leave foundation, even after investing thousands into setup. And honestly, this is the part most review videos skip. But first, let's talk about pricing. Foundation software is not cheap. Unlike simple SaaS tools with public pricing pages, Foundation usually uses custom pricing based on your business size, modules, and user count. In many cases, companies can spend several $1,000s annually once implementation and training are included. That scares smaller contractors immediately. And honestly, if you run a tiny 2-person operation, that reaction makes sense. If your accounting needs are simple, Foundation may be overkill. A smaller business could probably survive using QuickBooks paired with project management software like Jobber, Who's Pro, or Buildertrend. But now here's where it gets interesting. The hidden cost of weak accounting is often much bigger than software pricing. Imagine John underbids projects because his labor costs are inaccurate. Or he misses tax reporting details. or he cannot track equipment profitability. Those mistakes cost far more than a software subscription. That is why many growing contractors upgrade earlier than expected. Another major strength is payroll. Construction payroll is one of the hardest parts of running a contracting business. Foundation has built a strong reputation specifically around payroll management. Certified payroll reporting is especially valuable for public projects. If your company works on government-funded jobs, accurate reporting becomes critical. And this is something generic accounting systems often struggle with. Foundation also includes reporting tools that contractors actually care about. Not generic charts. Real construction metrics. You can track work-in-progress reports, over-under billing, project profitability, labor burden, utilization, and cash flow across jobs. That visibility becomes extremely important once your business scales. But here's the catch nobody talks about enough. Implementation matters more than the software itself. If your setup is bad, your reports become useless. This is why some contractors love Foundation, while others hate it. Two companies can use the exact same software and have completely different experiences. A contractor with clean workflows, trained staff, and proper onboarding may save huge amounts of time. Another company that rushes setup may end up confused and frustrated. This is where most people fail. They buy advanced software hoping it magically fixes broken systems. Software does not replace process. It improves process. That distinction matters a lot. Now let's talk about usability. Foundation is functional first. Modern second. If you compare it to sleek modern apps like Monday.com or some newer AI-based construction platforms, Foundation may feel less polished visually. Some younger users describe it as old school. But experienced contractors often care less about appearance and more about reliability. And to be fair, construction accounting software prioritizes accuracy over flashy design. Still, usability can be intimidating for new users. Training your office staff becomes important. Without training, employees may avoid using key features, which defeats the purpose of buying advanced software in the first place. Now let's compare Foundation to QuickBooks because this comparison comes up constantly. QuickBooks is easier to learn. Foundation is more construction-focused. QuickBooks is cheaper upfront. Foundation handles complexity better. QuickBooks works well for basic bookkeeping. Foundation handles deeper project accounting. That does not automatically make Foundation better. It depends entirely on your business stage. A small handyman company probably does not need enterprise-level accounting tools. But a growing commercial contractor with payroll headaches absolutely might. And here's another thing many contractors overlook. Integrations. In 2026, construction companies rarely use one single software tool anymore. Most businesses combine accounting, estimating, project management, scheduling, CRM systems, and field communication apps. Foundation integrates with several construction-related platforms, which helps reduce duplicate data entry. That matters more than people realize. When office staff manually re-enter numbers between systems, mistakes happen constantly. Automation saves time and reduces errors. Now let's discuss customer support because software support can make or break the experience. Foundation generally receives decent feedback for industry knowledge. Their support teams often understand construction workflows better than generic tech companies. That is important because construction accounting questions are not simple. You are not asking how to reset a password. You are asking how to allocate payroll across multiple prevailing wage projects with different cost codes. That complexity requires specialized support. But response speed can vary depending on workload and account type. Some users report excellent experiences, while others mention delays during busy periods. So should you actually buy Foundation software? Here is the simplest way to think about it. Foundation becomes worth it when accounting complexity starts hurting your business. Not before. If you constantly struggle with payroll tracking, job costing, project profitability, or reporting accuracy, Foundation can deliver real value. If your current system feels chaotic, upgrading may help you scale faster. But if your business is still small and straightforward, simpler software may provide a better return on investment right now. And honestly, there is no shame in that. A lot of contractors buy oversized software too early because they think it makes them look more professional. The smarter move is matching the software to your actual operational complexity. Now here's one final insight. The contractors who benefit most from Foundation are usually the ones already committed to improving their financial systems. Because software alone will not save a poorly managed business. But strong accounting visibility can absolutely help good operators become great ones. So if your company is growing, your payroll is becoming harder to manage, and you need deeper financial reporting, Foundation software may absolutely be worth the investment in 26. But if you mainly need basic invoicing and expense tracking, you may be paying for tools you will barely use. That is the real answer most videos avoid. It depends on your size, complexity, and growth stage. Hopefully this video helped you figure out where your business fits. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the accounting software your construction company is using right now. I'd love to hear what is working for you, and what is not. And if you want more honest breakdowns of construction software, estimating tools and contractor tech in 2026, make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more coming soon.